Welcome back to the Superbook Show.
Today, we answer your many requests for a show about the Trinity.
Wait, the Trinity? Didn't we already do a show on the Trinity?
Yeah, but I'm not happy about it. All the metaphors that we use to explain the Trinity are flawed. They either showed them all as separate parts, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit,
Okay.
or it showed them all mixed together.
Right.
But what we didn't get was an example where they were all separate and at the same time, one.
Well, sure, because that's impossible to show.
Aha! You who have ears to hear, let them hear.
Okay, what are you talking about?
The show we did on the Trinity was good, and it helped explain a lot. But we only used our eyes for that show, and I think it's time we used our ears.
I'm listening.
Jeremy Begbie.
Oh, I know that name. That's that Beatles song that my dad listens to.
That's Eleanor Rigby.
Oh.
Jeremy Begbie is a theologian musician.
Cool.
He explains the Trinity using a piano. Let's go.
Wait.
Begbie makes a point that visual metaphors to explain the Trinity are limited because the visual is limited.
In what way?
Well, no two objects can be in the same physical space at the same time.
Of course they can't.
Or can they?
Stop playing with me.
Close your eyes.
Oh, no. Last time you asked me to do that, I ended up with banana pudding on my head.
No pudding, just mind-blowing. Come on.
Okay.
Do you hear that note?
Yeah?
Where is it? Can you point to where that note is coming from?
It's everywhere.
Exactly. The note doesn't inhabit one spot in space. Sound is everywhere. Now, how about this one?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Is it different from the one I just played?
Yep.
Can you still hear that note and the first note I played?
Yeah, I can hear both notes.
Both separate, yet inhabiting the same space. One chord, two notes, inside each other and yet distinct.
Yeah, it's... Oh, okay, I'm getting it. Play a third. 3 distinct notes existing in the same space at the same time. The Trinity.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And not just in the same space, hear how they resonate with each other.
In harmony.
If you look inside the piano, they're not just in harmony. When I play a note, the strings vibrate, and those around it, in tune with the chord, vibrate together.
The Trinity interacting as sounds, as vibrations.
And the notes around it, the ones in tune with the chord, resonate together.
Oh, which is a metaphor for us, right?
Yes, when we are in tune with God, Jesus, and the Holy Spirit, we resonate.
And when we sin, we are out of tune, and therefore do not resonate. This is really helping me understand the Trinity better.
God gave us many senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell.
And we can sense God more completely by using all we are, well, all He created us to be in touch with Him.
That's right. Not a perfect metaphor. God is too mysterious and complex for any metaphor to ever be complete.
Still, that Begbie guy has some pretty cool ideas.
I hear ya. His word is forever alive.
Now hear this. Like this video and subscribe.
And you can sense more about God by going to our website, thesuperbookshow.com, where you can watch episodes and download the Bible app. See you next time. All of the metaphors that we use to explain the he talks about the Trinity using a piano. Let's go.
Don't run off.
We resonate.
We
Sorry.
can talk about the non-resonating.
Right. That Begbie guy has some pretty cool ideas.
You got it.
Darn tootin', I do.
Darn tootin'.
Now hear this. Don't hear anything.
Superbookshow.com, where you can also watch episodes and download the Bible app. See you next time.
I try to wave halfway through your line.